Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm not gonna talk too much. I just want to get to the second part of the harmonic balancer, or I should say the crankshaft pulley for the Cl55 Amg. All the parts are in. Here's that new bolt that finally came in from Auto House AZ. We have that seal that was leaking. We're gonna put this in. Got some Loctite for the bolt. And I was going to use some of this super white lithium grease, but I checked around, and the people that were knowledgeable about Mercedes-Benz, they just said to use just regular oil that you use. So motor oil, clean motor oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just finely coat this, just go over it and just wet it with that oil. And we're gonna install this first. And then this pulley is gonna go next, and we wanna make sure that that key is lined up right with the place or the keyhole that's there. So that's very important. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so turn on the car. So far so good. It didn't have any hiccups or anything. It just started right up. I actually tested the OBD test and I didn't see any codes or anything. So next thing, I'm gonna take it for a few drives and we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed, no more leaks. Thanks again for watching. Second part of this video is done and we'll see you guys in the next one.